The world of venomous snakes is a fascinating and dangerous one. These creatures have evolved over millions of years to become some of the most efficient predators on the planet. Their venom, a complex cocktail of proteins and enzymes, is a marvel of natural engineering, designed to immobilize and digest their prey with lethal precision. Among the most feared are cobras, kraits, and vipers. These snakes are not only dangerous but also incredibly diverse, with each group exhibiting unique adaptations that make them formidable hunters and survivors in their respective environments. These snakes strike fear into people across the globe. Their presence in both rural and urban areas has led to numerous encounters with humans, often resulting in fear and sometimes tragic consequences. Understanding these snakes is crucial for reducing the risk of snake bites and fostering a more harmonious coexistence. Each group possesses unique characteristics that contribute to their deadly reputation. Cobras are known for their iconic hoods and dramatic defensive displays, while kraits are masters of stealth, often going unnoticed until it's too late. Vipers, with their heat-sensing pits and lightning-fast strikes, are among the most efficient predators in the snake world. Understanding their venom, aggression, and impact on humans is crucial. Venom research has provided valuable insights into the biochemical properties of these toxins, leading to the development of life-saving antivenoms and medical treatments. Scientists continue to study these snakes to better understand their behavior and ecology, which is essential for effective snakebite management and prevention. This allows us to appreciate the true danger they pose. By learning about their habits and habitats, we can take steps to avoid dangerous encounters and protect both ourselves and these remarkable creatures. Education and awareness are key to reducing the incidence of snake bites and promoting a more informed and respectful attitude towards these animals. Cobras, with their iconic hoods, are known for their neurotoxic venom. This venom attacks the nervous system, leading to paralysis and, if left untreated, can be fatal. The king cobra, the largest of all venomous snakes, can deliver a bite that contains enough venom to kill an elephant. This venom attacks the nervous system, leading to paralysis. The neurotoxins interfere with the transmission of nerve signals, causing muscle weakness, respiratory failure, and, in severe cases, death. Prompt medical treatment is essential to counteract the effects of cobra venom and save lives. Kraits, on the other hand, are masters of stealth. These nocturnal hunters are rarely seen during the day, preferring to hide in burrows or under debris. Their venom is highly potent, and bites often occur while victims are sleeping, making them particularly dangerous. They deliver a potent neurotoxic venom that can quickly paralyze their prey. The venom of kraits is so effective that it can immobilize a small mammal within minutes, allowing the snake to consume its meal without a struggle. For humans, a krait bite can be deadly if not treated promptly with antivenom. Vipers, a diverse group with species found worldwide, are infamous for their hemotoxic venom. This venom targets the circulatory system, causing severe tissue damage and internal bleeding. Vipers are equipped with long, hinged fangs that allow them to deliver deep, penetrating bites. This venom targets the circulatory system, causing severe tissue damage and internal bleeding. The hemotoxins break down blood cells and disrupt blood clotting, leading to extensive bruising, swelling, and pain. In severe cases, viper bites can result in permanent tissue damage or even death if not treated quickly. These snakes have adapted to a variety of habitats. From dense rainforests to arid deserts, cobras, kraits, and vipers have evolved to thrive in diverse environments. Their ability to adapt to different climates and terrains has contributed to their widespread distribution and success as predators. They have evolved sophisticated venom delivery systems. The fangs of these snakes are highly specialized, allowing them to inject venom deep into their prey. This adaptation ensures that the venom is delivered efficiently, maximizing its lethal effect. Their presence in folklore and mythology highlights the long-standing human fascination with these deadly creatures. Snakes have been revered and feared throughout history, often symbolizing both danger and wisdom in various cultures. Stories and legends about cobras, kraits, and vipers continue to captivate our imagination. In this exploration, we delve into the specific dangers posed by cobras, kraits, and vipers. By examining their venom, behavior, and interactions with humans, we can gain a deeper understanding of these remarkable reptiles and the threats they pose. We will examine their venom, aggression levels, and their impact on human populations. Through scientific research and field studies, we can learn more about how these snakes hunt, defend themselves, and interact with their environment. By understanding the unique characteristics of each group, we can gain a better appreciation for the dangers they represent. This knowledge is essential for developing effective strategies for snakebite prevention and treatment, as well as for promoting conservation efforts. We can also learn to coexist with these fascinating creatures while minimizing the risk of dangerous encounters. Education and awareness programs can help people recognize the signs of venomous snakes and take appropriate precautions to avoid bites. This knowledge is vital for snakebite prevention and treatment. Medical professionals and first responders must be equipped with the skills and resources to handle snakebite emergencies effectively. Public education campaigns can also play a crucial role in reducing the incidence of snakebites. It also helps us to conserve these important reptiles and their ecological roles. Snakes play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems by controlling rodent populations and serving as prey for other animals. Protecting these species is essential for preserving biodiversity and the health of our natural environments. Cobra venom is a complex mixture of toxins that primarily targets the nervous system. This venom is a sophisticated blend of proteins and enzymes, each with a specific role in incapacitating the prey. This neurotoxic venom disrupts the transmission of nerve impulses, essentially hijacking the body's communication system, leading to a cascade of debilitating effects. The initial symptoms often include muscle spasms and twitching, as the toxins interfere with normal muscle function. One of the most prominent effects is paralysis. This paralysis can be partial or complete, depending on the amount of venom injected and the location of the bite. This paralysis can affect the respiratory system, making it difficult or impossible for the victim to breathe on their own, eventually leading to death by suffocation if not treated promptly. The rapid onset of these symptoms underscores the deadly efficiency of cobra venom. In addition to neurotoxins, cobra venom also contains cardiotoxins. These toxins have a direct impact on the heart muscle. Cardiotoxins directly affect the heart, disrupting its normal rhythm and function, causing irregular heartbeat and potentially leading to cardiac arrest. The dual action of neurotoxins and cardiotoxins makes cobra venom particularly lethal. The specific composition of cobra venom varies depending on the species. Each species has evolved a unique blend of toxins tailored to its environment and prey. However, the neurotoxic and cardiotoxic effects are common hallmarks of their venom. This consistency in venom composition highlights the evolutionary success of these toxins. The effects of cobra venom can be rapid and devastating. Within minutes, a victim can go from feeling fine to experiencing severe symptoms. Victims may experience a range of symptoms. These can include intense pain at the bite site, swelling, and a host of systemic effects. These symptoms include blurred vision, difficulty swallowing, muscle weakness, and respiratory distress. The progression of these symptoms can be frighteningly fast. The severity of the symptoms depends on factors such as the amount of venom injected, the location of the bite, and the victim's overall health. The location of the bite and the victim's overall health. Children and the elderly are particularly vulnerable to severe reactions, and the victim's overall health. Pre-existing conditions can exacerbate the effects of the venom, making prompt medical attention even more critical. Prompt medical attention is crucial in the event of a cobra bite. Time is of the essence and delays can be fatal. Anti-venom is available for many cobra species and remains the most effective treatment. It works by neutralizing the toxins in the venom, but it must be administered as soon as possible. Understanding the potency and rapid action of cobra venom highlights the importance of treating these bites as medical emergencies. Immediate intervention can mean the difference between life and death. Kraits are highly venomous snakes, known for their lethal potency and elusive nature. Belonging to the family Elapidae, these snakes are found across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. They are renowned for their potent neurotoxic venom, which is considered to be among the most dangerous in the world. This venom can cause severe damage to the nervous system, leading to fatal consequences if not treated promptly. Unlike the flamboyant displays of cobras, Kraits are notorious for their stealthy hunting techniques and painless bites. They often hunt at night, moving silently through their environment, making them even more difficult to detect. This makes them particularly dangerous to humans, as their presence can go unnoticed until it's too late. Krait venom primarily contains neurotoxins that target the nervous system, disrupting the communication between nerves and muscles. These neurotoxins disrupt the communication between nerves and muscles, leading to paralysis. The venom works by blocking the transmission of nerve signals, which can cause muscles to stop functioning properly. What makes Krait venom particularly insidious is that its effects can be delayed. Victims may not experience any symptoms for several hours after being bitten, which can lead to a dangerous false sense of security. This often leads to a false sense of security and delays in seeking medical attention. During this time, the venom continues to spread through the body, causing more damage. As the venom takes effect, victims may experience progressive muscle weakness, drooping eyelids, blurred vision, and difficulty swallowing. These symptoms can escalate quickly, leading to severe complications. Paralysis of the respiratory muscles can lead to respiratory failure and death if left untreated. The inability to breathe is one of the most critical dangers posed by Krait venom. The silent and delayed nature of Krait venom makes it crucial to seek immediate medical attention if there is any suspicion of a Krait bite. Early intervention can be the difference between life and death. Antivenom is available for certain Krait species, and it can be highly effective if administered in time. However, the effectiveness of treatment depends on various factors. These factors include the species of Krait involved, the amount of venom injected, and the time elapsed since the bite. Each of these elements can influence the severity of the symptoms and the success of the treatment. Identifying the specific species of Krait is crucial for administering the correct antivenom. Different species may have slightly different venom compositions, which can affect the treatment approach. The amount of venom injected during the bite can vary, influencing the severity of the symptoms. A larger dose of venom can cause more rapid and severe effects. The time elapsed since the bite is also a critical factor. The sooner medical treatment is sought, the better the chances of a full recovery. In conclusion, the Krait is a silent killer, with its venomous bite posing a significant threat to humans. Awareness and prompt medical attention are key to surviving an encounter with this deadly snake. Viper venom is renowned for its potent hemotoxic properties, meaning it primarily affects the circulatory system. Unlike the neurotoxic venom of Cobras and Kraits, which targets the nervous system, Viper venom wreaks havoc on the blood and blood vessels. This leads to a cascade of gruesome and potentially life-threatening effects. One of the primary components of Viper venom is a group of enzymes called metalloproteinases. These enzymes break down the proteins that hold blood vessels together, causing extensive internal bleeding. This can lead to a rapid drop in blood pressure, shock, and organ failure. In addition to metalloproteinases, Viper venom also contains other toxins that contribute to its hemotoxic effects. These toxins can interfere with blood clotting, leading to excessive bleeding. They can also cause widespread tissue damage, necrosis, and organ failure. The specific composition of Viper venom varies depending on the species, but the hemotoxic effects are a common characteristic. The symptoms of a viper bite can be immediate and dramatic. Victims may experience intense pain, swelling, and discoloration at the bite site. Other symptoms include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, rapid heartbeat, and difficulty breathing.